Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock minigames in Cookie Clicker. These special features add exciting new layers to your gameplay, moving beyond simple clicking. Each minigame offers unique benefits, from passive cookie generation to active spellcasting. To access them, you'll need to upgrade specific buildings to at least level 1 using a valuable sugar lump. Let's dive into how you can get started with these powerful additions. First up is the Pantheon, a minigame tied to your temples. To unlock it, simply upgrade any temple to level 1 using 1 sugar lump. Once unlocked, you can assign up to 3 spirits to different slots, each offering unique passive bonuses to your cookie production. The slots vary in effectiveness, with the diamond slot providing the strongest effect. Experiment with combinations to find your ideal setup for maximum benefit. Now, let's walk through the division process step by step. Begin by dividing the first digit of your dividend by the divisor. Write the result, or quotient, directly above that first digit. If there's any remainder, carry it over to the next digit of the dividend, forming a new number. Continue this exact process for each subsequent digit until every digit in your dividend has been divided. Finally, let's talk about the stock market and the dungeon. You can unlock the stock market by upgrading a bank to level 1 using 1 sugar lump. This minigame lets you buy and sell various goods, aiming to profit from market changes. As for the dungeon minigame, it's important to note that it is not currently implemented in the main game. It was a planned feature and remains a work in progress for future updates.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.